Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Isabel Cooking. For today's vlog, we are making chicken creamy cheesy pasta. So guys, ito gagawin na natin yung ating creamy chicken pasta. Okay. 1 tablespoon of oil kasi para hindi guys masunog yung ating butter. So guys, I'm adding 2 tablespoon of butter. I-melt lang natin siya guys. Yes, sasabihin natin guys yung garlic. It's about 1 tablespoon of shredded garlic. Fry natin until golden brown. And onions, it's about a half cup. So guys, it's already a golden brown or light pink. Yan, light pink pa lang siya. So, pero i-add na natin yung ating chicken. So, it's about 2 pieces of chicken breast, boneless and skinless. It's very simple guys. So now we're gonna add in red capsicum and mushrooms. So guys, season with black pepper powder. Yes. And salt. Chili flakes. It's about half teaspoon. Smoked sweet pabrika. Italian herbs. Guys, mixin natin. Then, we're gonna add milk. Look at that. So guys, it's a fresh milk. About 3 cups. So guys, now I'm adding a cup of fresh cream. Oh, fresh cream, and a cup of cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. So now we're gonna add our pasta, thin pasta, guys. I'm adding a handful of Italian parsley and also for sausage. So guys, ito ita-transfer na natin sa ating baking tray. Ibibig din natin siya. So, yung guys. Lagyan natin siya guys ng eggs bago natin ilagay sa ating oven. Cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Ito guys, i-bake lang natin siya ng mga about 10 minutes, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So ayan na, ilalagay na natin sa ating oven. Okay guys, enjoy watching and happy cooking. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks to my regular and new subscribers, silent viewers, regular supporters and commenters. I really appreciate. Thank you guys. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and please subscription and like are big help to me, so please lang guys. Okay, and stay safe everyone, and God bless. Bye. I'll see you soon on my next vlog.